Hey everybody, it's Chad Schottky, and today we're here at Flow-Rite headquarters. While Qwik-Lok was originally developed for marine plumbing, our customers have found numerous other uses, ranging from agricultural, HVAC, cold plunges, and even electrical conduit. With a variety of threads and fittings, we can adapt to nearly anything to accommodate your needs, allowing you to quickly connect and disconnect your fittings. Here we're showcasing our Qwik-Lok hose assembly. This is our 4-finger Qwik-Lok, 1.5 inches, with our length etched onto the hose as well as our identifier. Here we have one of our male fittings with an NPT thread, our 2 dual Viton O-rings, allowing and ensuring a proper seal. You simply unlock the connections, slide in your fitting, and lock it back on for an easy, tight seal. If you have an application that you think Qwik-Lok might be good for, please reach out to us and let us know, and we'd love to help you out.